Hi, this is Tihomir, and today I would like to show you the Photon Sync feature. Photon Sync is a feature that allows you to synchronize two distinct Photon CMS installations. So let's view our setup. Locally, I've set up the sync test.test domain and I'm logged in as a super administrator in the Photon CMS control panel. On my test server, I have synctest.photoncms.com and I'm also logged in as a super administrator. If we view the generator section, we can see that we have only the default Photon modules here. So let's start by creating our first module. We'll call it products. And let's make it as simple as possible. Let's view our module and test if it works fine. And it does. So I've connected my local code base with a remote repository in Bitbucket. So let's add the changes. You see that there are 3 files pending. Let's add commit and push. I'm using Laravel Forge as a way to quickly deploy the pushed code to my remote server. So using Laravel Forge, that's real easy. And you can see in the settings here that I'm targeting my repository called sync test, and I'm also targeting my master branch. So whenever I push, the code is automatically updated in the server. So right now, if I refresh, there are no changes in the staging server. So let's run the sync command. So if we run PHP Artisan Photon Sync, you'll be presented with a progress, and sure enough, it completed successfully. And if we refresh the page right now, yes, we see our products module being created, and let's test if it works. And it does. Let's further modify the products module. I'm going to add a photo. And I'm going to add a price field. View the module. Test if it works. And it works fine. Now let's add the files, commit, and before we push, let's modify the deployment script so that it includes the artisan sync command. I'm just going to copy and paste this over here. Save. And let's push our code. You can see that the deployment has started automatically in the background. Once completed, you can see that the Photon Sync feature has fired and that it completed successfully. Now let's view our module once again. And sure enough, we have our additional fields listed here. So let's try and add some more data to it. And it works fine. As our final display of sync functionality, let's try and remove a field. I don't want to have a price field anymore, so I'm just going to remove it, save the changes, and I'm pushing the code to my Git repository. And if I refresh right now, I can see that the price field is gone, but my data is still preserved. It's intact. So this functionality provides you with an ability to allow your clients to start entering content in the database early in your development process without fear of losing any of the data while you update the project structure. It also allows you to set up automated deployments to your live environment, but it also allows you to easily synchronize your work with your teammates. Have fun with the Photon Sync feature.